This is Tecno Pova 6 Neo, and today I'll share a few useful camera tips and tricks for this device. So in the beginning, let's explore what available camera modes it offers. So starting with dual video mode, that allows you to record video from both selfie and main cameras at the same time, as you can clearly see. So if you would like to record some footage in front of you and also, for example, simultaneously record your reaction or just simply your face, you can do that with this little mode. You can also change how much screen or display space each of the camera occupies, or change its layout by moving one of the camera to the top right corner, or pretty much whenever you want it to be. As you can see, this mode allows for pretty decent amount of customizations, so you can set it up as you please and record video once again from both selfie and main cameras. Now if you'll go into the more section of modes, you can also find the Pro mode, which allows you to manually adjust the camera properties or parameters rather, such as exposure, shutter speed, ISO value, white balance, focus, and whatever ME stands for. And this mode will be a good fit for the people who are not satisfied with how camera automatically treats those properties, or if you just want to gain more manual control over the pictures you shoot, or perhaps you just are looking to get some particular result out of the scene you're pointing your camera at, and the automatic tuning of the camera does not allow for that. So a very useful camera mode that I guess a lot of people will find useful. Now, once you are in the regular photo mode, you can also enable the 50 megapixels mode, which, pretty self-explanatory feature. Once enabled, it will shoot your photos using the 50 megapixels lens. Now let's take a picture in the regular photo mode or with regular resolution, and then capture the identical image using the high-res mode to directly compare them and see how different and how better it actually is. So first of all, let me quickly switch off the timer here. Now the 50MP mode is enabled. The picture is captured, so now we can go into the gallery and compare those two. So this one has been taken with regular photo mode. You can see how much details it retains and how far I can zoom in. You can just see it for yourself, how good it actually is. And when it comes to 50MP mode, I can zoom in way further, as you can see, and the level of details is also significantly higher, thanks to, the fact that this picture has been shot in 2 or 3 times the resolution the previous one. So if we will go into the photo details, you'll see that I've accidentally took 2 photos in the 50 megapixels mode, so my bad guys, I do apologize. So let me actually take a photo in the regular photo mode and show you. So yep, this one is regular photo mode, and it's not that different actually if you ask me, but the resolution is different. So this one has it at 3x4K, and the 50MP mode shoots at 6x8K, so 2 times as much when it comes to dimensions, at the very least. Now, if you'll tap anywhere at the viewfinder, you should be able to quickly adjust the photo exposure. So tap, wait for the sun icon to appear. Here it is. And by moving it down, you are reducing the exposure, and vice versa. If you'll push it upwards, the exposure will be increased. So if you would like to make your photo brighter or dimmer, this is the quickest and the most easiest way to do that. Now if we'll go into the camera settings here, you can also find a bunch of useful options, such as notify about dirty lens, ensuring that you will not miss when your lens is dirty and you will not take bad photos, should I say. And you can also switch on the scan QR codes option, which allows your camera to automatically detect QR codes once you point it at your viewfinder at one, and process them accordingly. So you will not need to address, or you will not need to use any third-party QR code scanners or perhaps Google Lens or something like that. You can just directly fire up your default camera app and use it to process or scan QR codes. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.